In this video, I will show you another report of the keyword clustering tool, the hub view. Here, thruuu is grouping cluster together. So what you see here is not a keyword, it's a cluster. And each cluster are categorized automatically by thruuu. This can help you to structure your websites around categories or pillar pages. So for instance, here we can see that thruuu has grouped all the cluster about Salesforce below one category. You can also, if you want, rename the category and as well move one cluster to another one. This can be used if you want to structure your website and start defining some interesting categories.